Electric circuit. Electric circuit is a relationship between three variables: voltage, current, and resistance. Let's say, for example, we have an electric circuit. Electric circuit will consist of what we call a battery and a wire through which the charges will flow, and we will have now the appliances that we are going to light. We are going to use this electricity to light. So the battery is what we call the potential difference, and the potential difference is known as voltage. So voltage is the energy of a charge, is energy per charge. So this means now, if we have charges through the wire, these charges are not going to move if they don't have energy. So the purpose of the battery is to give the energy to the charges so that they can flow. And then once we have the flow of charges through the circuit, therefore we are going to have electricity. So the voltage is the energy that allows each charge to flow through the wire. So that is voltage. So but now, when these charges flow through in the wire, sometimes they will flow faster, sometimes they will flow slow. So how fast is these charges flowing? That we call current. So current is how fast a charge is flowing. So is a charge per time. So that will be a current. And then lastly, we need to look at a resistance. So we know that when the charges are flowing through the wire, there's going to be a small resistance of the wire. But now we can ignore that a resistance of the wire because it's very, very small. But now when you get into the appliances such as resistance, we are going to experience a lot of resistance. So a resistance simply means something that resists what? The flow of charges. So when the charges get into the resistance, they are going to start to flow very slow. That is because they are interacting with particles of that resistance. And that is what we call the resistance of the circuit. And this is the introduction. I'm going to stop here, and then we are going to discuss this further in the next video. Thank you very much.